Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe. It is September the 4th, 2019. It's been 1 year and 5 weeks since we got started with the Red Wigglers. It is Red Wiggler Wednesday. Start off with the Worm Factory 360. I did have a comment last week. Somebody thought I'd put too much food in. Let's see what these bananas are looking like. I'm not sure if they were talking about this or the other bin, but that is all just still breaking down the bananas. A few mites. I don't see any worms moved up here yet. Yeah, there's a few down low. Let's see what we got underneath. And our middle tray looks good. Should be where most of our worms are. It's not compacted since I got these PVCs in the corner. Definitely helps. Yeah, we got a few worms here and there. Yeah, still working on that one. In the bottom tray, same thing, not compacted. It's got the PVCs in the corners. And we got worms just hanging out. Moisture feels good. Just a slight moisture, not wet. And it looks like most of the worms are in the bottom tray. Alright, let's see what this bottom looks like. Yeah, I got a few on the ladder, but down underneath is dry, so that's a good thing. Go ahead and take a look in here. This might have been the one that the comment was about, saying I shouldn't have fed. But we'll see. You can see where it's sunk down, where we fed right in the middle. So I am expecting some worms. Look at that. Look at that. They are all over them bananas. Not inside. I'm going to go ahead and open them up. They are all around. It's a bunch of worms. I'm going to have to find somewhere to put them besides this little bin. Alright. So in 1 year and 5 weeks we have definitely grown the population. And there's more just in this bin than we started with, I'm sure. And there's a bunch. This is a little wet because I added some moisture to it. It was starting to dry out a little bit, so I did spray it down after last week's video. So I just want to kind of aerate it a little bit. Lots of worms. And let's check out the bait cup here. This was our mainly castings. Got a few worms dangling out the sides there.
Oh yeah. Got quite a few in there. Quite a few. I'm gonna knock them off into there. Kind of dig through here, see what we got. There's a worm. Might as well go ahead and toss him in there, but basically just baiting them out because this is mainly castings. Still seeing a few here and there. It smells delightful. I love that earthy smell. If you haven't watched any of my other videos and could tell by now. Oh yeah. Smells good. I'm not seeing very many worms, just a few. So I'll probably go ahead and bait this one more time. There's another. Yep, there's still several in there. Yep. Probably go ahead and bait cup this one more time today. I got a bait cup reloaded. And we're going to try to bait the rest of these worms out. It's basically just some ground up potato peels. Go ahead and throw a little bit on there. We'll see what they do for next week.
Alright, so I'm not going to feed the Worm Factory 360 or the other bin. Just did the bait cup. Others have plenty of banana left to go through. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Till next time, have a great day.